How can you reset a school iPad for your own personal use? Let me explain and show you the two main methods how the iPad gets set up for the school mode. Let's get into it. Subscribe and we can get started. So the first option is when you go to your settings, you can expand the general mode and find the VPN and a device management menu at the bottom. So when you click on this, you will see that you have some VPN which might be set up, but below I can see sign in to work or school account. So there might be a school account active, which you can find exactly right here, and you will have the ability to sign out of it if you have obviously the credentials and if you want to use it normally outside of this profile. So this is the first important place. Very likely it's part of this section, so you have like a work or school profile enabled, which you need to uninstall or like remove from your device. But the second option is that you only have some restrictions in place. For example, you can go to the screen time section within your iPad's settings, and there might be so many different things set up. For example, content and privacy restrictions, which if it's turned on, it can limit some features like installing apps, deleting apps, and plenty of more things and features which get to be managed in here. So you can decide which apps, which age rating of apps is available to be downloaded, and web content if limiting websites is in place, or all of the apps are available. So these are the things which you can manage in here, but you can as well just turn off the content and privacy restrictions altogether. It might ask you for a passcode, a separate one from the main one used to unlock the device. So that's something which you kind of need to have as well. But that is another side of the story where the iPad might be set up as a school one using these tools. So let me know if you managed to find what you needed. I hope that I was able to guide you through it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.